Hi, I'm Bharath, Head Equities at Sundaram Mutual, and I also manage the Sundaram Balanced Advantage Fund. As you all know, true to its category, this is a fund which straddles between equities and debt using a well-defined internal investment framework. Over here, we use the trailing 12-month Nifty adjusted price to earnings as a barometer to define where equity allocations need to be in this product. And the fundamental principle here is about using fear in the market as reflected in the P's to increase equity allocations, and at the same time whenever markets are euphoric and when valuations do expand based on sentiments, take money out of the table and pair equities. So it's about keeping away individual biases and using a rule-based investing to decide where equity allocations need to be. So currently, as we look into the markets, we are at a position where we are invested close to 55% in terms of net equity allocations, of which around 78% is predominantly into large caps and the rest into the larger mid caps. So these allocations have been broadly stable over the recent quarters, and we've been kind of pairing equities in the recent months more from a 60% level to 55%. And from a suitability perspective, where exactly does this fit in? So for any investor who walks into the equity markets and who wants to deal with lower volatility as a additional parameter to look at, this is something where it could fit into the requirement very clearly, given that equities are always vulnerable to various events, various central bank actions, and we are at such a point today where there are multiple events which would keep cropping up in the next few quarters or a year from now. And to deal with those events in terms of volatility, a product which can kind of work with the rule-based investing would kind of fit into the requirements very clearly. So that's what this product is all about, where it's about disciplined investing in terms of equities using a well-defined stock selection framework and moving equity allocations based on a well-tested rule-based investment framework. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.